Go to your Snapchat, go to message window, go to the conversation, and now find out the snap which one you want to save. Let's open the snap, tapping this three dot, tapping on save. And here, if you save any snap, they will know that you saved the snap just like this. So all you have to need to save any snaps without them knowing, just open the snap, and now you have to take a screenshot. So go ahead and take a screenshot just like this, then open the screenshots, and we have to crop the screenshots to make the screenshots perfect. Tap on save, and this is the only way to save our screenshots or save our snaps in gallery without them knowing.